They say monkey see, monkey do, and that children are a product of the environment. As a parent, do you always lie about money, especially in front of your children? Well, that can impact how your child grows up viewing finances. It is understandable that once in a while, maybe you want to shield them from the harsh realities of life or want to shield them from the kwa ground, vitu ni different, but instead of lying about finances, you can use that as an avenue to teach them important money lessons, because according to research, children from as young as 8 years old can learn about money. For instance, when your child says, "Mommy, I want this," instead of telling them that I don't have money, when you have the money, please explain to them how buying them what they want will be an impulse purchase and how that would affect your household monthly budget. Money 254 has written about this and a whole lot more about family finance topics for you and for your children. Click the link to learn more.